How to manage, edit, and add blog posts in Wix. You can manage your blog on your blog website's dashboard, which is what you can see over here. Go to Blog on your sidebar, and under this, you'll be able to see even more options related to managing your blog. You have Overview. This is the page where you can create a new post. For more actions, over here, you'll find tools to create post from template, create category, add writer, import posts, blog reports, see your blog reports, and access your blog settings. This is also the page where you can see your blog's analytics and post stats. If you scroll down further, you'll be able to see templates here that you can choose from. So start a post with a template. Just choose or select a template. And if you'd like to see more, click on Explore All Templates. You can also find all the blogging tools that you need. You have blog reports. This is where you can get insights on blog traffic, views, likes, comments, and more. You have outgoing notifications, where you can customize how you notify readers about new posts and comments. You have site members. This is where you can view and manage readers who have signed up to your site. Next, you have SEO settings. This is where you can edit the default SEO settings for your posts, categories, and more. And then finally, you have import posts. This is where you can copy over posts from WordPress or another Wix site automatically, therefore saving you time. And by the way, if you want to learn everything you need to know about blogging, Wix has a blogging guide for that. Just click on Read the Guide over here. Now let's talk about the next one here, and that is Posts. This is the page where you can see all the posts you have created, whether they're published or not. Here on the Published section is where you can see and manage all of your published posts. Unfortunately, we don't have one over here. The Draft section is where you can see all of your saved posts that haven't been published but only saved as draft. In case you want to continue writing or editing them, hover over them and you'll be able to see the Edit button. Click on it and the blog post editor will open where you can continue writing or editing that specific blog post. You can also see the three-dot button over here. If you click on it, it will give you two options, and that is either to duplicate this specific draft post or to move it to trash. Next, we have Pending Review. This is where you can invite a guest writer to your site so they can submit posts for your review. Next, we have the Scheduled section. This is where you can see your posts that are scheduled to be published on a specific date. And then finally, we have Trash. This is where all of your deleted posts go. In case you want to restore a specific post, hover over it and click on Restore. But in case you'd like to permanently delete it, click on the Trash button. Now, let's talk about comments. So of course, this is where you can manage comments that people leave on your blog posts. Next, we have categories. This is where you can see the categories you've created. This is also where you can create a new category. So click on Create a New Category to do so. Creating categories is important and also a good way to get organized. Using categories for your blog would also make it easier for your readers or audiences to find what they're looking for. For example, if your posts are about food, then you can create a category about food and put all your related posts there. Next, we have tags. This is where you can create and manage tags to help readers discover related content in your blog. Next is writers. This is where you can manage writers for your blog, create and customize their public profiles. Take note, though, that everyone who is here has permission to write posts. Next, we have monetization. This is where you can find all the money-related tools for your blog. Here, you have tools for setting up pricing plans, monetizing with AdSense, getting paid through forms, starting an online store, creating online programs, and offering services with bookings. Below, they also have several tutorials you can check out in order to learn more about making money with Wix. And then we have analytics. We were able to get a glimpse of analytics earlier, but this is where you can find a more detailed report. Here, you'll be able to track and analyze how your blog is performing. Now let's talk about how you can actually create a blog. Once again, let's go to Posts, and let's click on Create New Post over here. So this is our post editor. This is where you can input your blog title, and this is also where you can input your blog content. You'll also be able to find tools above to format your text. Over here on the sidebar is where you can find more tools to assist you in writing your blog. First, you have the Add button. This is where you can find the options to add image. You can upload your own image to Wix. AI image. In case you don't have an image of your own, you can use this tool. Describe your picture and let AI create the image for you. Gallery. This is where you can access the files you've uploaded to Wix. This is also where you can find media from Wix, which is Wix's library of images free for you to use. Next, we have video, GIF, file upload. You can also find more tools such as divider, button, table, expandable list, and poll. You also have the options to integrate HTML code, Wix monetization with AdSense, as well as SoundCloud. The next tool on our sidebar is the Settings tool. This is where you can manage and edit your post's featured image, publish date, writer, and etc. Here you can also see categories. You can create a category, but if you previously created categories, then they'll show up over here. After you finish writing your post, make sure to go to Settings and put your current post into a specific category to keep things organized and, just as I said before, to help your viewers or readers find it easy to look for whatever they're looking for on your website or on your blog. And then we have tags. Create and design tags to help readers find the blog posts they're looking for. For example, travel trips, brunch spots, etc. Next, we have SEO. So this is where you optimize your blog posts to rank better on search results. Next, we have monetize. So earn money from your blog. Offer readers subscription to your exclusive content. Add paywalls to selected posts, set up payment schedules, turn readers into subscribers. You can click on Get Started in order to set it up. Next, we have Translate. This is where you can translate your blog with Wix Multilingual. Add a language menu to your site. Translate posts into 180 plus languages. Optimize your SEO for each language. And finally, we have AI tools. In case you're experiencing writer's block, you can ask for a bit of assistance or help from Wix's AI. Wix's AI assistant can help you generate a title. So what's this post about? Input your prompt over here and click on Create a Title. Say, for example, this title sounds very boring. In order to spice it up, you can use the AI title generator. Click on Create Title, and it'll create a very catchy and very beautiful text title for you. If you select one, then click on Use Text, and it'll automatically be input here. If you'd like to load more, just simply click on Load More. Let's go back. Apart from that, you can also use Wix's AI image generator. So get unique images made just for your blog. If you click on it, you'll be able to see this. So this is where you input your prompt. Describe your image. Choose a style. And then once you're done, click on Create Image. And here you go. If you like it, you can click on Use Image. Before you actually add it to your site, you have the option to crop and resize it, and basically adjust everything until you're happy with it. Click on Save once you're done. Let's go to Gallery to see if it has been saved. And here it is. Let's click on it and click on Add to Page. Resize it however you like. Next, let's go to Add Meta Tags. So boost SEO with title tags and meta descriptions. If you click on it, you'll be able to see this. However, this feature is only available for premium plan users, so unfortunately, I'm not going to be able to use this since we've only used a free plan. But no worries. I think even without using it like that, you'll still be able to create an awesome website, an awesome blog post within Wix. And that's it. We hope you found today's video of help somehow. If you need more Wix tutorial videos, check out our channel and consider subscribing. Thanks for watching.